Package integrity is a key factor in maintaining product freshness and product safety throughout the supply chain. An improperly sealed package will reduce the shelf life, will increase the amount of waste, and most importantly, will result in an unfavorable experience for the consumer. To mitigate this issue, it's vital for food producers and food packagers to ensure that each package produced is properly sealed. However, this can be challenging when there's hundreds of packages in a regular production run. To maintain proper seal integrity during a production run, scheduled checks are necessary to ensure that all products that are produced are properly sealed to provide a good customer experience. To achieve this, Econo-Pak does visual inspections along with bubble emission tests on predefined intervals. Bubble test is a recognized ASTM method that's widely used in various industries, including food and pharmaceutical industries. To perform this test, you submerge a package into water or any compatible solution in an enclosed chamber and visually inspect for any bubble generation. If there are any bubbles generated in the package, it signifies an improperly sealed package. So if this happens, proper corrective actions are taken to mitigate production errors.